Planting tomato seedlings is a highlight for any gardener, but the way we do it, upright and staked, goes against the plant's true nature. Left alone, a tomato plant sprawls across the ground, rooting wherever its stem touches moist soil. It's not a natural climber, but a scrambler, designed to anchor itself widely and soak up nutrients. Those fine white hairs on the stem, each can become a root if given the chance. By forcing tomatoes upright, we ignore this powerful ability and limit their potential. Instead, we should work with the plant's instincts, not against them. Most common tomato mistakes, staking too early, shallow watering, over-pruning, stem from misunderstanding how tomatoes want to grow. Observing their natural habits unlocks a more resilient, productive plant. Let's rethink our approach and help tomatoes thrive by letting them do what they're built for. The secret to better tomatoes starts with understanding their urge to crawl, not climb. In the mid-20th century, Soviet gardeners needed tough, productive tomatoes. They realized that planting seedlings horizontally, not vertically, let the plant grow roots all along its buried stem. This created a vast, efficient root system, stronger, more drought-tolerant, and better at finding nutrients. With more roots, the plant needed less watering and resisted disease naturally. The method was simple. Bury more stem, get more roots, and grow healthier plants. It's a philosophy of prevention. Build a strong foundation, and the plant takes care of itself. This old trick is a game-changer for any gardener. Here's how to plant tomatoes the horizontal way. Start with a tall seedling, 8 to 12 inches high. Remove the lower leaves, leaving just the top cluster. Dig a shallow trench, not a deep hole, and enrich it lightly with compost. Lay the plant sideways in the trench, bend the tip upward, and bury the bare stem. Only the leafy top should stick out of the soil. Water deeply to settle the soil and trigger root growth along the stem. Mulch well to keep moisture in and weeds out. The plant may look odd at first, but it's set up for explosive root growth. This method gives your tomato a head start, stronger roots, less stress, and better yields. It's simple, quick, and incredibly effective. The results of horizontal planting show up fast. The buried stem becomes a powerhouse of roots, anchoring the plant and drawing nutrients from a wide area. Top growth is thicker, lusher, and more vigorous. Deep roots mean less frequent watering, maybe just once a week, even in hot weather. The plant stands sturdier, often needing less staking. Some gardeners let tomatoes sprawl on straw, keeping fruit clean and off the soil. Most importantly, healthier roots mean more and better tomatoes, with fewer problems like blossom end rot. By working with the plant's instincts, you get bigger harvests and stronger plants. It's a smarter, easier way to grow. So, why did this method fade away? Commercial growers needed speed and uniformity, so vertical planting became the norm. Nurseries sell short, compact seedlings, but the best candidates for horizontal planting are tall and leggy. Convenience replaced wisdom, and the old method was forgotten. But for home gardeners, it's easy to revive. Use trenches in garden beds or curve the stem in a large pot. Any space can work. This technique saves water, reduces chemicals, and grows stronger, more resilient plants. By honouring the tomato's natural habits, we get better results with less effort. It's time to bring this lost wisdom back to our gardens.